If you run a tax service business in Sacramento, you know tax season can feel like a storm. Phones ringing non-stop for a few months, then silence the rest of the year. But what if your calendar stayed full all year long? Because new clients found you first on Google, right when they're searching for tax help? That's the power of Google Ads and PPC campaigns. They put your business at the top of the search results for people ready to act. And the best part, you only pay when someone clicks. No wasted dollars. With Google Ads, you're in control. Target specific neighborhoods in Sacramento. Set the budget that works for you and adjust anytime. Forget waiting for flyers. Your business shows up exactly where and when it matters most. Want to beat the competition? It comes down to smart keyword research and ad copy that feels human and helpful. Even one headline like "Fast Sacramento Tax Filing, Book Today" can turn a missed lead into a new loyal client. And don't forget your landing page. A clean page with one clear message and a strong call to action can turn casual clicks into booked appointments. Track your results, see what works, and keep improving. With the right setup, every dollar you spend brings you closer to more clients and steady growth. Not sure where to start? That's where MarketinGear comes in. We'll build and manage campaigns that make your business shine and keep your phone ringing even after tax season ends. Ready to fill your calendar? Book a free consult today at MarketingGear.com.